Welcome to my podcast. I am your host, Rekha Daniel from Gig Consultant, which is the leading global community for all tech professionals. Our diversity vision is to create and build professionals. So, we, the Inclusive, runs diversity hiring programs with leading organizations like Accenture, Cognizant, Wipro, Aon, Asian Paints, and many more. So, our mission is to ensure respectable livelihood for every person with disability. Our gig consultants guide the candidates throughout recruitment cycle process. And we have a special guest and candidate, Ms. Gunjan Singh, with us to share their journey. Can you introduce yourself and share a bit about your background, Ms. Gunjan?
Hello everyone. Hello ma'am. So my name is Unjan Hind. I'm from Lucknow and I currently work in. If I talk about my hobbies, I like to do bottle art in my free time. Thank you.
That's nice. So, where did you grow up and did that affect who you became now?
I grew in Lucknow, the city of Nawab, and my family was very supportive. My parents and my brother and sister.
Mm-hmm.
So I grew in very positive environment, and they always considered me equally as like them. So I did not face any issue in my family. I faced it outside my family, that is school or market or anything we can say.
That's so awesome. Everybody gets this atmosphere. As you said, you got such a positive atmosphere, and your family was really supportive to you. So, what did you want to be when you were a kid? So, every child would be having some dream. This is what their goal must be, and this is what they wanted to become. So, what was your dream?
Okay, to be very honest, my childhood was not like other child because I was born with left lip and palate,
Mm-hmm.
and due to which I had undergone to multiple surgeries,
Mm-hmm.
and my schooling was started very late. And after some years, I got to know that in my right hand I am having polio.
Mm-hmm.
So due to which I have to undergone to physiotherapy session on my daily basis. Sometimes I need to attend from my school also. So I did not think any particular thing to what to do in my life. So I just always go with the flow in my life.
That's nice. So, what's your or do you have most embarrassing memory? Like anybody who would have their embarrassing story of their life. So,
Talk about is the loss of my father in 2020. So
for
it is
that.
that loss I can never forget in my life. And if I talk about my childhood embarrassing moment, so I got a severe burn injury, and
Mhm.
due to which I have scars on my both the hand.
Oh my.
So these things I can never forget. A horrible incident of my life
Okay.
all the way.
That's nice, actually. Who's the most influential person in your life, and how did they impact you, Miss Gunjan?
Always my parents, my father and mother, because I have seen them working very hard and to give as much as they can,
Mm-hmm.
either on education or anything, and they always treated me like any other child. They have never differentiated or anything. They have given me equal opportunity, and my
That's nice, actually. So you got such a wonderful parents to you. That's what I can say repeatedly.
yes, yes,
So how are
yes.
you different from than your old self last year and now?
Last year, if I talk about particularly last year, so my life was very different. I was very confused what to do, how to do. I was, to some extent, I was directionless, but to somehow I tried and started doing things for myself.
Mhm.
And I was not very confident either in my communication skills or in my personal skills. I I was afraid of interacting with the new people. I was not confident. But if I talk about this year, the very major difference is that I'm now financially independent, and for the first time in my life, I have experienced how it feels to be financially independent. I think it is very important for everyone, and it is the feeling that is totally different. I had never experienced that feeling in my whole life.
That's awesome. You said you experienced much better than the last year. So, what was your
Yes.
journey like before getting to this job?
For getting coming to any job, I have started UPSC preparation. I in my 4 years to that, but I was not able to do that. And after I lost my father, I was not able to concentrate on my studies. To be very honest, so my sister supported me to now start some job so that I can focus on job and my career and to divert my mind. So I started applying for jobs and that was the end.
That's how you got this opportunity.
Yes, yes,
For any candidate, when we are talking about the job opportunity, for any candidate,
yes,
it's not that easy to get into a proper job or the perfect
yes,
job, right? So, what
yes, yes.
challenges did you face while looking for a job as a PWD candidate?
Searching for job as normal people search. I had no idea that to apply under this category. So
Mhm.
I had idea in the government sector, but I had no idea that the private sector also, recruited PWD candidates. So each and is the first to which I got to know that they are doing their best to give job in the private sector also, because PWD candidates also deserve the best. So, due to my native voice, I had undergone two challenges because my CV was selected, but due to my voice and my communication skills, I did not get any chance.
I understand. So, as I told you in the initial call itself, Gig Consultants' biggest mission is to, enroll many more PWD candidates into, we need to move them into a better life. That's what
Yes,
our
yes,
mission is. So, what was the
yes.
application and interview process like for you into Gig Consultants?
So, the application through which I got to know about this consultancy is from Naukri app. And the first time I got a call from this consultancy, and I got to know that my CV has been selected. So the call I received, and then they told me the whole process. So the whole process was very smooth, and they guided us very comfortably so that we can feel comfortable. They are very encouraging. मतलब I can't express in words how they support it. So the first stage was interview with the HR was Yoga. Then the second round was with the panel. Yes.
Nice, that's nice. So, how has the company supported you in terms of accessibility and inclusion? Because not every company has the
Yes.
inclusion of this accessibility for PWD candidates, isn't it? So, how did you
Yes.
figure it out? So, how did you see that in your perspective? How has
After
the
joining,
company supported you in?
I have seen that there are many more candidates like me. Not one, not two, not three, means many more candidates.
Mhm.
So I was wondering that in the private sector also we get a chance, because for me this is very new.
Mhm.
I did not, because this is my first job in the private sector, and I had no idea that the private sector also do is much better. So if I talk about my company, so the environment is very comfortable and like others. Not like we are different or we are treated we are receiving some different salary. They are even equal
Awesome.
pay scale according to their designation. So this
Awesome.
is the biggest thing I can tell you.
That's great, Ms. Manjul. So, how has getting this job changed your life? Either can be a personally or professionally.
In both ways, my life has been changed. If I talk about personal level, so as I said before that for the first time, I have a feeling of financially independent, and I brought up many gifts for my family members for the first time. I gifted gold ring to my mother. So
Okay.
I was very happy, and now I, feel very happy
That's
internally,
great.
and my sister and brothers are also happy.
That's nice.
And at a professional level, I'm learning a lot on daily
That's
basis.
nice.
I'm interacting with
It's
new
always
people.
a awesome feeling when we are independently working on it or financially independent. It's something
Yes,
different level of feel. That's what I could
yes,
sense on your face.
yes.
So how can companies create more inclusive hiring process? So when we were just discussing about the inclusion, you just saw similar people like you into the firm. So you must be having some thoughts, right? How can companies create
Yes.
more inclusive hiring process? So what it could be?
So the company can tie up with the NGO,
Mhm.
which are working for the PWD candidates. They can make advertisement on social media like Instagram, Facebook, and they can create some internship programs also, because in some cases the candidates are not very comfortable or very, they don't have idea, so they can get an idea. And some more things can also be done, like different types of roles they can assign to them, to see in which role they are comfortable according to their abilities in the different way. Alright.
That's true. That's true. So what message would you like to share with employers and recruiters?
Okay, so message I want to convey is that they should give equal opportunity to all the candidates, and they should not judge them on the basis of their disability. They should consider their ability. They should give a fair chance to them, just like me. I got a chance from it and he. I'm very thankful to the consultants very much day by day.
We are glad for
Uh,
it, Ms. Gunjan. So how do you want to be remembered by the people?
I want to be remembered as a kind, resilient, and strong girl. I want to inspire others, not because I'm different or I'm doing very great, but just to inspire others, to convey them that if I can do it, anyone can do it, or anyone can get a chance.
Mhm.
So that is the thing I want to be remembered. I just want to inspire others and create some impact on their life so that they can also encourage just like I want encourage.
That's nice. And this session would come to an end. So, any final thoughts or words of encouragement for others in similar situations or a PWD job seeker?
I just want to, tell them that they are not different. They should not consider on their disability,
Mhm.
because disability is just one part of you. The other aspect is your worth, your value, your talent, and we cannot, sometimes we don't realize that we have something to do, or we have some talent. So never give up. We never know how we get opportunity, and we just sign. Just like me, I got the opportunity from the NNT, and just see today what I am and how I am. So everyone deserves a chance. So give yourself a chance and be positive and be hopeful.
Now I feel more confident and more encouraged by you, Ms. Gunjan. So this session went so wonderfully because of you, and we are ready to place do the placement for many other PWD candidates through Gig Consultants. And we are so happy to have you. And we are just ending this session for now. Thank you so much for patiently answering all my questions. And here we are to thank you personally for sparing your time in spite of having a busy schedule. Thank you so much, Ms. Gunjan, and we will meet you again. Thanks.